to be tech anymore to build a digital product. Claude AI can do the heavy lifting for you. I'm going to show you 3 digital products that you can create this week. You can ask Claude AI to create for you a printable or a workbook like this, and you can create according to the niche that you are targeting. For example, you can create for the niche, maybe for people who want to do meal prep weekly. Yes, or it can be a workbook for people who want to set their goals, or it can be a planner for people who want to plan their lives. And these are simple and easy to create. Remember, AI is going to give you what you put inside. So if you go to Cloud and prompt it very well and put in a prompt like this, you ask Cloud, can you help me create a printable planner or a workbook for moms who want to lose weight after giving birth, and I want it to be in form of a meal prep, foods that they can eat and how they can prepare these foods so that it can be easy for them to stay healthy and also take care of their newborns. So if you talk to Cloud like that, or if you give it a prompt like that, it's going to make your work easy. It's going to give you the digital product you want, and it will give it to you according to the audience that you've told it. And it will be easy for you to design this digital product in Canva because you have the outline. What you will do next, you go ahead and put in the experience you had, or you add in your own touch, you go ahead and edit it, and before you know, you've already had an a guide that you can sell to people, and you can go ahead to grow from there. Yes. So if you want to start your digital product business or journey and you feel you are stuck, you don't know what to do, I have created a free guide that you can download. Yes, you can download. I will leave the link to it in the description below. It's going to help you to start your digital product business. It will show you how you can create a digital product. Yes, so don't forget, I will leave the link in the description below. And this is going to take us now to our next digital product that we can create using Cloud AI. And our next digital product is a guide. You can use Cloud AI to create a guide or a starter kit. Yes, for different types of audiences that you are focusing on. You pick a problem. When you pick that problem, you focus on it so that you can serve the audience that has that problem. For example, this kit that I saw on Etsy, it's a kit that helps people who want to start their Etsy shop, how they can grow their Etsy shops, how they can use Canva to create digital products for Etsy. So it helps a person to know how they can go about starting a business on Etsy, how they can create their shop and how everything goes. So what can make a product like this to be different? First of all, it's specific and it's targeting a specific problem. It's not generic. It's not like if a person named it like a starter kit, so a person will not know, is it a starter kit for cooking, for a person who wants to learn how to cook? Is it for people who want to enter into digital product? Is it for people who want to go into affiliate marketing? The more specific you are, the more you are going to get customers, and the more your digital product is going to reach the right audience. So you can create a guide or a starter kit that is specifically for that problem that you are targeting. For example, I have created a starter kit, a guide which also has an app, but I am targeting specifically beginners or people who have created a digital product and they feel they are blocked, they are stuck, they don't know what to do, or people who have created a digital product and it has not worked. So I have created a guide which helps you to start on building your idea up to the finish, up to validating your digital product to see if it will work, if people will be interested, will it get sales. So I have created also this. I'll leave the link to it in the description. So it's a guide and a starter kit. It has different things in it. It helps you to to pick your idea step by step and understand what a digital product is. And apart from that, when you come up with your idea or the niche you want to go with, then you can go also ahead and validate it with the app which is inside. You can go ahead and validate it. So these are the things you get. You get a beginner PDF, you get worksheets, and an app that can help you to test and validate if your idea is valid. So that's an example of a starter kit or a guide. Like, you combine so many different things together. I hope you understand me. Yes, I hope you understand me. So I'll leave the link to this also in the description below. You can go ahead and grab it. Yes, so that's how you can create a starter kit. You just pick one clear problem and you go ahead and create a digital product around that. Then this is going to take us to our digital product, product product number 3. Yes, product number 3. And excuse me, product number 3. And product number 3, these are low ticket email challenges. And why I'm saying this is good, because first of all, it's going to help you get a lot of sales. Why? Because nowadays everybody wants to grow their email list. For example, this is about skincare, but it can be about a different niche. Maybe it can be about people who are into the cooking niche, people are into the beauty niche, people are into the fashion niche, people who are into making money niche, people are into the relationship niche, worth, and so many different types of niches that are the more specific, the more your digital product is going to be good, and you'll be having a certain audience that you'll be focusing on. Because why? That will make you special. Your digital product will not be generic, it will not be focusing on everybody, it will be focusing on a certain group of people who have a certain pain point that you want to solve. So if you create low ticket email marketing challenges or mean courses, they are going to work for you, because everybody now who is building a business online, they don't want to depend anymore on social media. Because you can wake up when YouTube has terminated your account, when Facebook has terminated your account, but when you have your email list, that means that audience or those clients on it, they are yours forever. So if you build this, it's going to help you, and it's easy. Cloud can help you to build it within a few days or few hours. You can ask Cloud to write you a 3 or to 5 days email sequence that teaches one small transformation. This can become like one of them can be like a welcome email, another one can be an email that is going to nurture them, also another email that where you will be able to provide tips or something valuable to your audience before you start selling to them other things. And there are a lot of creators out there who even don't have time to go ahead and create all these emails that are going to grab their customers' audience. Because it's not about just creating emails, but you create emails that are going to grab the customers' audiences, and businesses are willing to pay for people who are going to help them reduce their workload. So you can also create that as a digital product, and you can do this using Cloud AI, and it's simple and easy as I have told you. Yes, and if you want to see exactly how I use this process to build my own startup kit, validate, write, and ready to sell, you can grab my freebie. As I've told you already, I'll leave the link to it in the description. You can go ahead and download it, and don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe. And if you are going to use Cloud to create your digital product, you can put that also in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you.